Hey, it's Henry from exceptionalmarketer.com. And today we're going to talk about the fastest way to make $100 a day. And this is going to be a Clickbank tutorial. Now, as a beginning affiliate, we always seem to get in a situation where we say, what do I got to do next? How do I get started? How do I get my feet wet in this business and start seeing some money? So I'm going to show you how to do that right now in this video. And we're going to be using Clickbank. Now, I've picked Clickbank because Clickbank is a marketplace. It's an affiliate platform where it has thousands of products, and it's very easy for new affiliates to get signed up. I don't even have to go into the sign up process, just click sign up. It takes only a few minutes, and just about everybody gets approved with Clickbank. It's probably pretty hard to not get approved with Clickbank. So that's the one we're going to use. Now, when you first get into Clickbank, into the marketplace, which is what we're looking at right now, on the left-hand side, you've got all the categories that you can get in Clickbank that you can find products to market. And Clickbank literally has thousands upon thousands of products. And you can look through these categories and you can see that for just about any category you can think of, you can find some products in Clickbank. So for the purposes of this tutorial, I've just decided to use e-business and e-marketing because if we're going to talk about to affiliate marketers, let's talk about affiliate marketing. Let's talk first how to find a good product, what you need to see in a product to make it something that you're going to want to promote because you feel you can make some money with it. So first thing is the niche. So our niche we're going to use is e-business and e-marketing. But for any niche, what you really want to do is you want to look through the products that are available in that niche. First of all, you want to make sure there are products. There are some niches in Clickbank, believe it or not, which have, if you try politics, for example, they got a few courses in there, not much. So the reason why you want to find a niche that has a lot of products in it is because you want to be able to sell numerous products because you're going to be building up an audience, hopefully, that will be coming back to you for more and more. So you want to build up this audience and you want to be able to have more than one product. Remember, in business, the worst number is one. One product, one customer, one traffic source, because if you lose it, you're out of business. It's gone. So one thing we're going to look for is numerous products. Well, you can take a look right up here. You can see that there are 200, right where my cursor is, 267 products on Clickbank alone in this marketplace, in this niche. And we can go through and take a look at the products. Now, here's a couple of things we want to look at. First of all, you want to look at the price ranges. It's a good idea to have different price ranges. You don't want to have all high ticket, although high ticket is certainly preferable, but you don't want to have all high ticket because you need to be able to get people in. Many times you get them in what's called a tripwire, where you get them for a smaller amount, more of an impulse type purchase. You get their email and then you can market to them on a continuous basis and move them up your value ladder. So you do want to see an array of different pricing. And here you can see 62, 38, 44, 17 on the low end. So that's one of the things you want to look for as well. So you want to look for numerous products in the niche. You want to look at a variety of pricing. Now, you also want to look at something that's extremely important, and that is right here. This is affiliate pages. Not every vendor on Clickbank has these, but what these are assets that you can use to promote their product. These are assets provided by the vendor, by the affiliate creator of the product. And they contain things many times. They're banners, they're articles, they're a list of keywords, they're email swipes, they could be videos that you can use in advertising. So you really don't want to fool with products that don't give you those resources, because to market, you may have to go do them yourself. And unless this is some kind of a terrific product, you're not going to want to fool with it. So I'm going to take a look. I found a product here. I want to take a look at this product. Let's take a look at what you get in their affiliate page. So the product we're going to look at is this product right here. It's called the 12-minute affiliate system. So if we click on this link right here, which is their affiliate page, it will take us here. This is Attention Affiliates and JV Partners. This is their page. Now, here's all the things they talk about. The offer, they talk about how to make money with their offer. They give you affiliate links, swipes. These are email swipes that you can use in your email autoresponder. And they give you graphics, different things you can use as graphics to send to you to use for marketing purposes. They go through and give you all kinds of stuff about setting it up. Here's the offer, which they give you a very good explanation, which is helpful because you can use a lot of this stuff in your marketing copywriting material. You can use a lot of this stuff in your messages. For example, here's a testimonial. They're giving you you can copy these and place them in your marketing. You can also download this video and place it in your marketing. They give you different ways to earn commissions. Now, one thing about this one that I like is they've got different upsells. And in all these upsells, you can get a commission, as you see here. And a lot of these commissions are recurring commissions, which means there's a billing every month. So you make one sale, but you get paid every single month. And with these upsells, there are many programs on sites like Clickbank where you can only earn money one time on the initial sale. Then the vendor gets the email address of the customer you sent them, and they keep sending the materials, different promotion materials, and they get to keep all the commissions. This particular product doesn't. This particular product is sharing all the commissions with the affiliates, but they're doing the upselling. Now, they've also got links to different types of funnels. They actually give you a sales funnel. So here's the sleep sales technique sales funnel letter. Here's your affiliate link. You just replace your affiliate ID with your affiliate ID, and this becomes your affiliate link to use. The pizza system sales video. These are all different marketing materials that you can just employ out of the box. The Grandma Can Do It sales video, the on-demand auto webinars. This is a webinar you can promote. The webinar replay with a real countdown timer. So they're giving you a ton of stuff. Affiliate marketing training for this stuff is very, very good because you've got a whole array, because different people that you're marketing to have different triggers that cause them to buy. So they're giving you a shot at a lot of different ways to promote this thing. The email swipes are great because you don't have to write emails if you don't want to. In most cases, all you have to do is insert your link, your affiliate link, and you're in business. It's probably not a good idea to do that. What you may want to do is take the email swipe they give you and maybe just add a few of your own words to it, because you want to make it unique. Because it's very possible there could be dozens or hundreds or even thousands of affiliates promoting this same program, which is not something you want to be competing with. If they're all using the same email swipe, then why should anybody buy from you? So you want to change things up a little bit. So that's what you get with the affiliate resources. Now, the next thing you want to look at is something called Gravity. And Gravity is a metric used by Clickbank to determine how many affiliates are actively making sales with this product. So if you see no affiliates making sales, then you know this product is going to bomb on you because nobody's selling it. But if you see a moderate or a high gravity, then you know that people are actually selling the product. It is a saleable product, and there's a market that's buying the product. So let's take a look at some of these gravities here. On the one we just looked at, the 12-minute affiliate, here's the gravity number right here. You can see it's over 100, which is an excellent gravity. Really, a good gravity is probably anywhere above 30. The next product is at a 42 gravity. This product is at a 41 gravity, or 46. So you can see these all have was 88 gravity. So again, that's a good tip to you that this is a good niche, because the affiliates are actually making sales in all these different products. So if they're all making sales, that tells you they're all saleable products. Now, you can do one other thing you can do if you want, is you can go to YouTube. I'll just explain this to you. You can go to YouTube and put in the search box affiliate marketing or affiliate marketing training or affiliate marketing tutorials, and take a look and see the volume of videos that are being produced on YouTube, and also look at the view counts on those. I happen to know for a fact, because I'm familiar with the niche, but with affiliate marketing, there will be a very, very large number of videos continuously made. There's always fresh new videos being made, because if you haven't seen a new video, if the newest video is 4 years old, that's a niche you probably want to stay away from because there's no interest in it. But if videos are constantly being made and they're being watched, that's another tip-off that you're in the right niche. That's a niche you probably want to promote. Now, let's talk about promoting. So we're here at this product, the 12-minute affiliate. We'd like to promote the product. Click on the promote button right here. You'll be taken to another page, and here you would put in your affiliate ID. So I'm just going to go ABC XYZ. All I got to do is find them, and then hit generate hop link. Now, a hop link is your affiliate link. This is your affiliate link. If anybody clicks on this link, you will take them to the product page, sales page. If they buy, you will get the commission because this link is unique to you. You're the only one who has this particular link. That's where you want to send all your prospects, to that link. That way, Clickbank can monitor. They'll know who the commission goes to, who made the sale, and who gets the commission. And you'll get that commission once the people go beyond the refund period. They don't refund. You'll get paid a commission. Okay, so that's how you find the product. That's also how you vet the product. You want to take a look at a place like YouTube. Now, we're also going to talk about the fastest way to make $100 a day. So what you need for that is you need a source of fast traffic. For example, if you want to blog, blogging is slow traffic, because when you blog, you have to get your blog indexed. You have to get it ranked. And if you're in a competitive term like affiliate marketing, good luck with that. It could take you months or even years to get ranked. YouTube is a lot easier because you can find long-tailed keywords that still get views, but less views because they're less competitive, and you can use those to rank videos. But the site or the platform for free traffic, fast and free traffic today, is TikTok. TikTok is a site where people put videos, very short videos, extremely easy to create. You do not have to be technically skilled at all to create a TikTok video. And the videos run up to a minute. And you can make your message, get it out there, and it can go viral very, very quickly. So I want to show you, just give you some examples. So I have here, I typed in make money online, which is essentially affiliate marketing. It's a search term you put in the TikTok search box. It will give you all these different creators that have created videos or channels around this topic. So you can see here, 501,000 followers. That means there are 501,000 people who have actually clicked the button to say, I want to follow this person. That's not views. She got a ton more views. I'll show you in a minute. But that is just followers. So you see this market has a potential. A lot of people are interested in it. Here, 51,000 followers, 48,000 followers, 25,000 followers. So you see, this is an extremely active market. So let's take a look at the top one here. She's got 501,000 followers. So if we click on her, this is her channel. It's called Make Money with Stacy La. And it's talking here in her profile, teaching how to make money online, free, so financially free. And here's all her videos. And you can see some of the views she got on these individual videos. 7,500. This one's only 724 because it's probably brand new. 2,700. Some of them got a lot more than that, 29,000. But she gets people to come here. And these videos are really short. They're 30 seconds to a minute long. But here's what she does. She tells everybody who sees a video, click on the link in my bio. Here's her link in the bio. So let's see what happens. If we click on this link, we're going to go off of TikTok. This is telling you you're going off of TikTok. They want to keep you on there, obviously, as long as they can. And here we go. Make money with Stacy La. And here's what she sends you. This is a page. She's got some information here. Click to get started. This is going to take you, let's find out where it goes. It's going to take you probably to an opt-in page. Yep, opt-in page. So she's building an email list off of TikTok. Watch my free videos on YouTube. So she's got a YouTube channel. She's getting subscribers to her YouTube channel. She got a Facebook group. Join my Facebook group. Follow me on YouTube. She's building a YouTube channel, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. This is very smart. Start the 15-day challenge. This is for a product called ClickFunnels. This is for a product called Legendary Marketer. They have a very inexpensive product that costs about $7. That's the start of their value ladder. So she's inviting them to try that. Try Builderall Funnel Builder. This builds sales funnels. And she's probably going to show you a sales funnel that she will give you, which you can then download into your Builderall account, which you will buy through her affiliate link. And then rank your videos #1 on YouTube. This is probably some type of software that helps you rank on YouTube. And then you got Get Free Bitcoin with CryptoTab, which is probably another affiliate marketing platform. So this is very, very smart what she's doing here. She's using TikTok to get free traffic. She's got 501,000 followers. She's taking that free traffic and she's sending it here where she's building up an affiliate business. She's building up an email list. She's building up a YouTube video, she has a channel, a Facebook group, an Instagram, and TikTok. So this is extremely smart. And she happened to know she does extremely well. And that's how you go about it. And by the way, this is all free. The only thing she paid for here was the Builderall, because she had to subscribe to Builderall. And I believe they even have a free version. It's probably very cut down as far as features, but they have a free version as well. So this is how you go about creating some very fast income on Facebook, on Clickbank, using the Clickbank products and combining it, doing a search. So you make sure you've got a product that's saleable, and then you get fast traffic from a site like TikTok. You build an email list, you build up a social following, and best of all, you make some money. So if you found this video tutorial helpful, please click on the subscription button below. Click on the notification bell. You'll be notified when I create and upload my next video. And I've also got a link, the first link down below in the subscription, which will get you to a page very similar to this page where you can get a good deal of free training as well to help you get started in your affiliate marketing journey. So until next time, best of luck to you.